Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce to you this machine, our high voltage electrostatic separator. As you can see, the machine next to me is a single roller type, our high voltage electrostatic separator comes in various models to match different needs. The choice of model mainly depends on the type and quantity of material you intend to process. This single roller version is one of the most commonly used in daily life as it is affordable and has a high processing capacity. The model number of this equipment is the 1500 type. The 1500 type refers to the length of the high voltage electrostatic magnetic roller, which is 1.5 meters, hence the name 1500 type. Apart from this, we also have other models available, such as the 1200 and 1800 types, for you to choose from. Additionally, our high voltage electrostatic separators come in single roller, double roller, and even triple roller configurations, depending on your material requirements.